Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Goan chicken Xacuti using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients and preparing the chicken. Then, I'll guide you through creating the signature roasted spice paste that gives Xacuti its incredible depth. Finally, we'll combine everything for a rich, flavorful curry that's perfect for any meal. Get ready to enjoy a taste of Goa. The heart of Goan Xacuti lies in its aromatic spice blend. We'll gently roast whole spices such as star anise, cloves, and black peppercorns until they release their beautiful fragrance. Then, these roasted spices are ground with fresh coconut, ginger, and garlic to form a smooth, rich paste. This unique combination, including a hint of nutmeg, creates the distinctive, complex flavor profile that makes Xacuti so special and delicious. Once your spice paste is ready, the cooking process is straightforward. First, brown your chicken pieces in a pan, then add the aromatic spice paste, ensuring every piece is coated. Cook this mixture gently, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. We'll then simmer the curry with a little water or coconut milk until the chicken is perfectly tender and the sauce thickens to a rich consistency. It's truly simple to achieve a fantastic result. To finish your delicious Goan chicken Xacuti, a final simmer allows all the flavors to fully develop. Garnish generously with fresh coriander, leaves for a burst of color and freshness. This rich, aromatic curry pairs wonderfully with fluffy steamed rice, warm Goan bread, or even a simple naan. Enjoy the incredible depth of flavor and the satisfying warmth of this authentic Goan dish. It's a truly rewarding culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.